I've installed loads of Google Camera, known as Gcam. So I've had success with some of them, and in some I failed to install. And I got bored and decided to start the Gcam challenge, which is how many Gcams can you install in a single device? Welcome back. So, how many Google cameras, also known as Gcam, can you install in your phone? This is the Google Camera Challenge. So let's see. You can follow us on social media. You can do a video on YouTube, tag us. Anywhere you are, tag us. We want to know who's going to be able to do more than this. And when you do that, we have something in pack for you. So the way it is that you're going to install it and you're going to open all of them and then test something like, snap a picture, record a video, whichever one that you can do. You're going to do it for all the Gcam that you were able to install right inside your phone, one single phone. So we want to know the phone that could take the biggest number of Gcams, and we want to know the person that will do that. So that's simply the Gcam challenge. So you go on, we have done 5, and we're able to open all of them, test it, play video, record a video, snap a picture, and then confirm that it is workable, it is usable. Well, I just got bored, and I was like, what am I going to do? Okay, I've been doing a whole lot of videos, Gcam 7.3, Gcam 7.2, Gcam settings. As you can see, the video hit right here is one of the video we did in Gcam best settings. So go out there, have fun, open your phone, download the APKs. I'm going to show you in the description. I'm going to put in the description where you can get APK files to download it, confirmed APK file without any malware, so you don't need to be afraid of anything. So that's it. Download as plenty as APK as you can and then install it. Open each of them, take a picture with it, or snap or record a video, and that will be it. So the winner, there's going to be a winner for the person that will have the highest number of Gcam. We're going to do something. We'll announce it later, but I don't know, break it yet. There's going to be something. So I want you to tag it. I want this thing to trend. I want it to be everywhere, social media. Let everybody who like Google Camera, who like taking pictures, and let them try. Most people don't know that you can actually install more than 1 or 2 or 3 Gcams in your phone, but right here we've been able to do that, and we are telling people who love Gcam, who like cameras, who like comparison, whatever it is, you can install up to 5. So we want to see whether anybody out there could beat our 5, maybe put up 6 or 7. That will be that for it. So if you're still watching, just subscribe to the channel, follow us on Twitter, on Facebook, Instagram, even we are on TikTok too. So make sure you tag us. If you're able to get your own, make sure you tag us, and when you do, we will then be able to record that, and that will be that. So I'll see you, watch out for you, drop your comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Subscribe. I'll see you. Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.